I have some asparagus here so you can see. I washed them and I'm gonna cut off the hard tip. And I'm gonna put them into a mason jar. We need to cut these a little more so they fit well in the jar. I'm not gonna get rid of that asparagus. I'll use it to, you know, stir fry or soup or something. All right, that's better. I'm gonna add 2 thin slices of lemon, a garlic clove. This is dill that I washed. And some peppercorns. I'm adding 1.5 cups of just white distilled vinegar and a cup of water to this pan. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of salt. And guys, this is optional, but it will balance the acidity of your vinegar. I'm just gonna put about 3/4 teaspoon of sugar in here. One thing I didn't put in here is a bay leaf, and I want to, so we're gonna heat that vinegar with the water and the salt and the sugar, and we're gonna stir it until the sugar and the salt are dissolved, and that's it. We want these to be nice and submerged, guys. They're softening with the hot liquid, so it's easier to press them down. We're gonna let this cool down completely, cover it and put it in the fridge until tomorrow, and then we'll taste it, okay? Our asparagus were in the fridge overnight. Let's check them out. They are still nice and crisp. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Oh, that is nice. Guys, if you like asparagus and you like pickles, you're gonna love this recipe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.